So we want to find the fraction that's exactly halfway between 1/3 and 1/8. It's a little bit of work here, but it's manageable. So there's two ways you could do it. You could add 1/3 plus 1/8, then divide by 2, and that would give you the midpoint here between 1/3 and 1/8. The way I like to do it is to get the denominators to be the same, and then I'll compare the numerators. Seems just a little easier for me. So I need a common denominator here. So I'm going to multiply 3 times 8 here, and then 8 times 3. That'll give me a common denominator, 24. But I have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator here by 8, because that's just 8 over 8 is 1. I'm just multiplying by 1, and over here, 3 over 3, so I'm just multiplying by 1. Now we have 8 times 1 is 8, and 8 times 3 is 24. And 8/24, that's an equivalent fraction to 1/3, same value. Over here I have 3/24. So now all I need to do is figure out what number is halfway between 8 and 3. I can ignore the denominators since they're the same. So 8 plus 3, and then divide by 2, that gives me the midpoint. So I get 11 over 2, which equals 5.5. So we end up with 5.5 over 24. That's the fraction halfway between this 8/24 and 3/24, or you could say the 1/3 and 1/8. This isn't very pleasing, though, to have a decimal here. So let's just double the numerator and denominator. If we double 5.5, we get 11. If we double 24, we get 48. So the fraction halfway between, exactly halfway between 1/3 and 1/8, that is 11/48. Loads of fun. This is Dr. B. I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.